Alright guys, we're gonna do this one quick and easy. You can see a wiper blade that I removed already from the driver's side. Instead of paying over 20 bucks for a wiper blade, you can get OEM inserts from Toyota. Here are the part numbers and save yourself some money. These are about 8 bucks a piece and it's good quality instead of getting some aftermarket stuff. These last time I changed those wiper blades was 2018, I believe. So pretty good money for 8 bucks a piece, lasting until 2024. And as you can see, the arm is in great condition. I don't need to change it. So let's save some money in this video. Okay, so it's been a while since I took these apart, but I want to get it all on camera so you can see how to do it yourself. But basically, I just yanked this thing out, and you can see these two, raised forks that are holding it in. But now that the rubber's out of the way, you could totally get it out. And now you could just pull these guys out all the way, set it to the side, just like that. And there's nothing holding the rubber in here. Now it does get a little tricky on reassembly, but if you want to save some money, this is the way to go. So we'll double check, make sure these are the same length. We're good. This side is going to be bigger. It has those forks on that side, and this side is thinner. It's physically different. So just be sure to remember that. And let's see. And this is the hook part. So if you're looking at the windshield from the front, this would go towards the passenger side. This would go towards the driver's side. I don't know if that makes any difference, but I've always just put it back the same way that it came. So from here, we're going to try to fish these back in. And there's a groove that it slides in. I'll do the same on this side. Okay, and we're going to, let's see, this is when it starts getting tricky. So we've got to slide it with the edge that's not bumped. That's the first step. And now you're going to do it all the way back. And just keep track of those rods. Make sure they're in your hand. Otherwise, it's going to be really hard trying to push the rod through when it's in the rubber, because it is all in that little channel. So I'm going to double check right here, make sure that they're the equal length. We actually got some pushed in more than the rubber. Okay, that's good now. See, if I didn't catch that, it wouldn't have gone in all the way. All right, I've got the flash on so you can see that fork is holding the two ribs. That's on the one end. It goes all the way down. And then this end doesn't have any. That's the side that you were pushing through all those forks. So that is one wiper replaced, and our wiper blade insert replaced, and we can get that thrown back on the truck. When I'm not changing the wiper blades, I put this arm down very carefully. I don't want it snapping back on the windshield unattended. So from here, we're just going to slide this deal on and put it down just like that. And we will get moving on over to the passenger side. So on this side, my A-pillar light does get in the way, so I kind of have to bend it, but it's not too big of a hassle. Put this back down very gently. And as you can see, we've got another failed wiper blade, but we're going to fix that up right now. And just like that, this one is ready to go. Let's get it slid on and snapped in. That's it. You replaced your wiper blade inserts and saved yourselves a couple bucks.